What's up, members? So we broke the $100,000 portfolio this week. The YouTube portfolio is growing. Let's break it down. Baba, we have still kept at $1,000 cost basis. We're up 51% on this. That's a $500 gain. FSPGX is starting to pay off. We made a bunch of buys when it was down around $31, $33 cost basis. So now we are up about $8,000 on FSPGX, which still makes up 60% of our portfolio, which is the allocation we are trying to maintain. Google, still waiting for this to take off. Large percentage, 12% allocation. We have $12,000 invested. We're only up $300 on them right now. Home Depot, $372 per share, $5,000 invested. Still waiting for them to go off, but we're getting that nice dividend as well. So we're up 1.7% on them. Microsoft was a nice buy around the 357 area. Cost basis of 3,700. We're up 26%, $1,000. Nike's my loser right now. I've been averaging down on them. I don't want to average more than 4% of the portfolio to Nike, but we have a $70 cost basis and we have about 57 shares, down $435 on them. Starbucks were down as well, about 4%. We have $4,000 invested in them. And then Tesla, $5,000 invested, average basis of $219 per share. We're up $2,800. That totals $12,000, $550 so far, up 14% in the account. So that is very nice gains for us. We like it. And let's take a look at the Gemini crypto. So taking a look at the Gemini crypto portfolio, we add $100 every Wednesday currently. Planning on adding more, but we're just waiting to see. We've been building some cash on them. Just made another purchase here. I just want to show you just on the month of it so you can see. Looking at the 1 month chart, we're down to 2,100. We're up to about 3,000, pulled back to about 2,900. We're just going to continue to build it. XRP is my largest position at 56%. I have $1,600 invested in them. I have 700 XRP. Then we have ETH, 33%, almost $1,000 invested at $979. AMP, 4%, $127. Shiba, which is $86, and then Bitcoin at $72. I just purchased some XRP, so I just wanted to show you that as well. And I just want to show you the crypto rewards on this. On the crypto rewards, I've so far earned $66 and it buys Bitcoin, which is nice. So if somebody joins, they get the $75 for me, $75 for them. So that's kind of nice. So definitely, click the link in the description if you're interested in that. But we made some referrals on them and that's made us some money.